Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your Google app. And now click on your avatar. Then click on Settings. And now click on Google Assistant. And then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. And now make sure that Hey Google is enabled and then click on Retain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. And now click Not Now. And then click Back. And then click on Lock Screen. And click Yes, I'm in. And make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.